Hey, so I want to discuss a bit of geometry, which is calculating a point that is on the circumference of a circle. In this case, I'm going to be using a unit circle, but you can use any type of circle. So it's basically very simple here. You use the basic uh, cos degrees um, equals adjacent line uh, times, divided by the hypotenuse line, or the sine of degrees equals the opposite line divided by hypotenuse line, which in this case is both cases 1. But yeah, this is geometry that I already did a video on, so I won't be discussing it any further. But yeah, in this way you get px and py, and just with the degrees and the hypotenuse line, then px and py are the coordinates of the specific point. So yeah, this is an easy geometry trick that you should probably know. Now there are other versions of this that I will be discussing right now. So this right here is an example of not an exception to the rule, but it is an extension of that rule, which is a angle that goes beyond 90 degrees. Because with an angle beyond 90 degrees, as you can see here on the green line, that means that you can no longer get a right-angled triangle, because, well, as you can see, it's very clear you just can't. So what you do here is you take the degrees of the other side, and how you do that is basically just take 180 degrees minus the degrees between the two green lines, and then you can just have the right angle triangle on the other side. So yeah, that's basically how you solve that problem. So this is a little geometry trick for you guys. Hope you learned something.